In this video I will tell you that how to auto delete Google search history. So first of all, you need to open up the browser here, and then you have to go into this link here, which is myactivity.google.com, and make sure that you are logged into your Gmail account. Okay, and once you open this link here, you have to open up this web and app activity here. And once you scroll down, if you scroll down here, it says there's auto delete option, and in the bracket it says it's on. So when I open up this, here it says that auto delete activity older than, then we have to select a time like 3 months, 18 months, or 36 months. So 3 months is the least time, so you have to select on this one, and then you can actually save it. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.